Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Spongebob Squarepants. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the nose with the curve up and back down, leaving it open at the bottom. Now we're going to hop out on each side and let's draw a curve up and around for the cheeks. And then let's add 3 small circles inside. Now in between the cheeks and the nose, we're going to draw the eyes. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve over on each side. And then another curve across underneath. Now inside each eye, let's draw a circle. And another one inside. And color both of these in black. Lastly, for the eyes, let's draw the eyelashes by drawing 3 lines up on top of each eye. And thicken these up slightly with another line next to it. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop down and draw the mouth. Underneath each cheek, let's draw a small curve. And then a curve across. Now underneath, let's draw the teeth. Let's draw 2 lines down in the center. And then another one down on each side. And close off the bottom of each tooth with a line across. And then underneath, let's draw 2 bumps going out like this. And that's it for the face. Now we're going to hop out and we're going to draw the shape of the head. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a wavy line across all the way to the other side. And now let's continue the wavy line down on each side. And then close it off again at the bottom with a wavy line across. And that's it for the shape of the head. Lastly, we're going to hop back in and let's draw an oval on the top right, a larger one on the top left here, a smaller one underneath. Then on the bottom left, let's draw a small one again, and a larger one next to it. Then hop over to the bottom right and let's draw a large oval here, and a smaller one underneath. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. On each side, let's draw a line down. And close it off with a line across. Now we're going to hop inside and let's draw the tie. We'll start with 2 small angles down in the center. And a line across. Now for the bottom of the tie, let's angle it out and down. And close it off with a V-shaped point. Now next to the tie, let's draw the collar by drawing 2 points like this. And now let's add the pants. Let's start with a line across. And continue it on the other side. Now inside the pants, we're going to draw a skinny rectangle on each side. Then let's leave a gap and let's draw another one on each side in the same way. And then color all of these in black. And that's it for the main part of the body. Now let's hop out and draw the arms. Let's start on each side of the body and let's draw a curve down. And then curve it back in underneath. Now for the arms, let's draw 2 long lines down. And then at the bottom, we're going to draw the hands. On the inside, let's draw a wavy line down. And curve it back out for the thumbs. And then for the rest of the fingers, let's draw a curve down and up. And then let's add 2 curves inside near the bottom. And that's it for the arms. Now let's hop underneath and draw the legs. We'll start by drawing 2 angles down and out on the left and on the right. And close it off at the bottom. Now underneath, we're going to draw 2 lines down on each side. And then a curve to close it off. Now inside each of the legs, let's draw a curve across in the center for the socks. Now lastly, at the bottom here, let's draw the shoes. Let's start with a small bump out. And then another bump underneath. Now let's add a large curve out and back around. Now to add the heel of the shoe, let's draw 2 lines down underneath. And a line across. Now inside the shoe, at the top here, let's draw an oval. And then color the shoes in black. And that's it for SpongeBob. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!